That's what they form for my vice as they go for primaries on the 1st of January 2025. As you can see, we are working from Paloma to the NPP party in Accra. 190 party out of the 500 come together to form for Dr.
People say I'm the king, yes, so I plan, and I lose. When you call my phone, never in silence. When I'm high, my ways are broken. Remind me I'm a good person. But I'm bad when you hear me sing. But you send me, but so why you let me me? So I'll pay for the weekend, drinking, Ella, she's still.
Adam Prince, the youth organizer for the group of professionals for South, for region. And then we are constituency youth organizers, you need deputies, and you can't say the far from some Dr. Mahmoud. Now, Ghana, you have 276 constituencies in Ghana. Constituency piano, your deputy in me. A couple my 552 and a Ghana. A move 490. And I say, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, any candidates are 159 or much to say, or mobile pens or the NPP anymore. Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, any candidates are. Yeah, my boom, I a dimmer with various constituencies. Yeah, did this say, one the most preferred candidate, the amount for panel. Also, the better Bawumia to me. Also, now, and Prema since 2008, what turn on our NPP, I turn on Tompa, I'll bet me up what I did to me coming 2028. Now, yeah, in himself, and no youth day. And no youth day, no. At the end, I check the bet me the man, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Ghana, for you, and I say, if I present a candidate or drink Ghana, I will drink NPP, now I drink Ghana for you now. And until Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, the youth organizers, you did say, better forms, Emma Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, you bet me up one, I'm a Ghana 2.1 NPP 2. You won't say Ghana, now we are buying. Papa go for the film. Me I make a victim. I was at Coco Boy. Ya pamo me. Na nipo beti me abegwa. Ama weti me be restore hope we na Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It is said and now you day. The best gift we can offer Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia is say the beg cancer boom. Na nya nomination form sika no 100,000 abe pick forms ama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. It is youth organizers I work Ghana. You can say as a kakra, and you have 100,000, and then they have a picket form. Some of Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
We know much more. Not to say, you know, one person who told Sika, and 1 year. I just have been a modern film guys. I would have a party office.
Youth organizers now, you have 552 no Ghana hanging now. They move 490. They move 490. And they did data almost support to Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. The chairman was a region piano entire 6,250. The region piano and the other cabo and the other picket forms. I'm a Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia.
And then you said, on one contest, Dr. Brian, and then I use no.
The entire youth, get to Eddie Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, and say, among 5 candidates in Iran, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, any candidate are torn on one turn on Tompa. I ain't say about a candidate PFP because 2028, any other is for new candidate or more, but on representing new candidates. Yeah, opposition, yada. Yes, you are presenting new candidates. As a candidate, police room like a tape in Brazil or be a woman on one Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And Untina, Yenny a coffin, Yenna Mabuni Swan, or Musu Flay, and Untina, yes, you have picket forms, Nama Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia. And to earn the credibility, won't mean fact of a lot, dear Noabet Media, Afaba Payo, Oshe and Yama, Apua Ghana, and then maybe. Me area na me cheese get free me bank SND minia we na ye papa na ni swade mu a o magana it is my what dey ni swade mu na ko tenafia emwa e say ye mebu na wo party mu ye shenim class emle na so doctor be di party mu ye nim say 2028 the NPP say about them enu ti na ma ye youth organizers no ya ke ken say say ni abefa form sama Dr. Mahmoud.
So when it comes to grassroots, the youth organizers over here are those that engage the police station executives, the party people. So in the hierarchy of the party, if you want the grassroots people, those that work at the marketplace, the ghettos, the truck drivers, the door-to-door, the choppers, it is the youth organizers. So this is a firm assurance that the grassroots is with Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia, and that is why we are all here.
What is your name and which constituency are you from?
I am Isaac Obin, the youth organizer for Okaikwe South constituency. Where we are going to do this presentation to him. We know that, inshallah, this day is the day that Ghana's destiny is going to be rewritten, because what the NDCs have done and what they keep doing is an indication that Dr. Alhaji Mahmood Bawumia, as Vice President, the things that he did for our mother Ghana are the things that we need to progress as a country. Thank you, and God bless us all.
For the youth, for the future of this country. A lot of the ideas that I'm coming with are youth-centered ideas. What will happen to the youth and how we can create jobs and so on, and increase opportunities. So I am assuring you that all the efforts that you have put together today to bring the forms to me will not be in vain. We will make sure I reciprocate with ideas and work.